my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to drink your water. Okay, at some point you actually would have to mix something in your water to give you that utmost desire and satisfaction, and also some benefits that will flush out your toxins. Most of the time you also have to drink water warm, not necessarily cold all the time. So I'm actually going to be showing you all of this in the video. So if you love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let's dive into the video. So we're going to be needing some water, and yeah, if you're going to be taking water in the morning, it has to be warm water. Okay, water is very good. And then you're going to be needing some lemon. Now lemon with hot water is very essential for the body. It's very good, and it does a whole lot of stuff. Okay, it removes belly fat, it makes you really smart, and it flushes down the colon. Now also, water with apple cider vinegar flushes the colon and makes your intestine really clean, and it also removes belly fat and stubborn weights. Yeah, so let me show you how you're going to be doing these two things. Now the first thing you do in the morning is wake up, grab your hot or rather warm water into a cup. Now after this, then you have to put in lemon. Okay, you cut in lemon, and then you squeeze about one full lemon into the water. Now if your lemon is actually very juicy, you can use half of it, okay, because you do not need too much. Anything that is actually too much is not really good. So this is your lemon water in the morning. You take this, and this will make you really active for the rest of the day. It will make you like visit the toilet, and you are going to be really light, and it's going to remove all of the waste in your system. So you're going to be needing another cup, and then you're going to be needing some water also. So for this particular one, you have to be taking apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it. Okay, make sure you buy an apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it, so that it's going to be really effective and does the job. Now when you buy apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it, what you're going to notice is that you're going to notice some particles in the apple cider vinegar. Okay, and then you're going to just shake it. What you'll be needing is 1 cup of this in the morning, and then you just turn it into your water just like that, and then you stir it. Okay, so this or this, whichever one you prefer here is better. Now after you've taken this in the morning, now before 10 o'clock you would have to be taking 2 glasses of this water, and you're going to be loving your skin, number one, and you're going to be loving your body. Take enough water after taking this, enough of water. I've actually already told you or given you all of the benefits of water in your body. Okay, Now the thing is that you have to take water, okay? You have to drink water, like ordinary water, now before the one that I'm going to be showing you how to prepare it. Now one of the reasons why you have to take water is that it actually helps to lubricate the bone, and number two is that it also forms saliva in your mouth, okay? So number three is that it actually boosts your skin health, okay? And it actually boosts your skin, your health, and your beauty. The skin needs moisture, and where is moisture going to come from if you actually do not drink water? Okay, so you have to take water to lubricate your skin and to nourish up your skin and to nourish up your body too. And sometimes, or most of the time in the morning, it is recommended that you take warm water, not necessarily cold water. I've actually tried the two and I know how it's working for me. Even now, okay, that's we're two. Now it cautions the bone, the spinal cord, and the brain, okay? So your brain do not actually need to lack water. That's why you have to drink water, and sometimes warm water. I'm actually repeating this so that you know the benefits and importance of drinking warm water. It helps to maintain blood pressure. Definitely, okay. I've actually gone to the hospital with my husband where he would have to donate blood, and they're like, okay, go drink water, because when you drink water you tend to have much more blood in your system, okay? So water is actually very, very good. It flushes out the waste in the body. Now if you wake up in the morning and you tend to not be able to go to toilet or to pee, drink water. I must drink warm water. In the next 30 minutes you're going to be feeling like pooing or peeing, okay? And that is actually the waste that the body needs to let go for you to renew and to refreshing, okay? So that is it, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to also drink your water in the morning. So having shown you all of these things and having told you all of these things, I hope you've actually seen, because the ones that I use for the lemon and the apple cider vinegar, they are literally warm water. So you need warm water a whole lot in your system, okay, for your blood to be circulated. Yeah, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys.